Good morning, students. How are you all? Yesterday we studied what is volume and how to find the volume of some specific three-dimensional shapes like cube, cuboid, and cylinder. Today we will start exercise 13.5. In this we will find the volume of cube and cuboid. Then question number first is, what will be the volume of a packet containing 12 matches box if a matches box measure 4 into 2.5 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter. Therefore this one is matchbox. This one is matchbox, and the length of matchbox is 4 centimeter, breadth is 2.5 centimeter, and height is 1.5 centimeter. There are 12 matches box in a packet. So we know that the volume of 12 matches box will be equal to the volume of the packet. Then volume of cuboidal matchbox is equal to, we know that this one is in shape of cuboidal, so the volume of cuboidal is equal to L into B into H. Therefore L 4 into 2.5 into 1.5 centimeter cube, because this one centimeter, then this one centimeter cube. Here we find the product of these, then here 4 into 2.5 and into 1.5, then 3.75. We can calculate this 2.5 into 1.5. 15 5 is 75, carry 7. 15 2 is 30, 37, 3.75. And the product of this will be equal to 4 5 is 20, carry 2, 4 7 is 28, 30, 3, or 4 3 is 12, or 3 15. And decimal will be before 2 digit, then 15 centimeter cube. The volume of one matches box is this, and volume of 12 match box is equal to 12 into 15, 1080 centimeter cube. So the packet of matches box occupy 1 centimeter cube space in the space. Okay, the next question is here. A cuboidal water tank 6 meter long, 5 meter wide, and 4.5 meter deep. Then how many liter of water can hold it? It is given that 1 meter cube. If 1 meter cube space have the 1000 liter of water. So this one is tank. This one is cuboidal tank, and the dimension of tank are given here. 6 meter long, 5 meter wide, and 4.5 meter deep. Deep means height. Then we have to find the volume of the cuboidal tank, because we have to find the capacity of water in this. Then volume of tank is equal to 6 into 5 into 4.5 meter cube. Meter into meter into meter is meter cube. totally meter cube. Then here this meter cube is the volume of the water. Then here we multiply this 30 into 4.5, 45 3 is 135 and 0, and we put the point here, then 135 meter cube. And here given that 1 meter cube space has 1000 liter of water, and 135 meter cube, then here we multiply by 135 into 1000 and change in liter. So 135,000 liter of water. Next question is, a cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long, 8 meter wide, then how high must be it made to hold 380 cubic meter of liquid? It means this one is cuboidal shape, this meter long, 8 meter wide, and we have to find the height, and volume is given. So we can put equal to the volume according to problem 380. Given that this one is a cuboidal tank, this one is cuboidal tank, and this one is 10 meter long, 8 meter wide, and h we have to find. Then we can say this h height is h meter, and volume is given 380 cubic meter. Volume is equal to 380 meter cube. So this volume is given. Then according to problem, in given dimension the volume will be equal to 380 meter cube. Then this implies that volume is equal to L into L, B into H is equal to 380 meter cube. Then here L means 10 into B means 8 into H means H meter cube is equal to 380 meter cube. Then here meter cube to meter cube cancel, and H is equal to 380 upon 10 into 8. Then here this one cancel, and we divide 38 by 8, then 8 for the 32, 6, and 8 7 the 8 7 the 56, 4 and 8 5 the 40 meter. So the height of the cuboidal tank will be 4.75 meter. Okay, next question is, calculate the cost of the digging the cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad, and 3 meter deep at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. Means this one is pit, then the rate of the digging is given here 30 meter per rupees 30 per meter cube. Then here we have to find the volume of the pit, and after that we have to multiply by 30, and easily we can find the cost of the digging the pit. Next question here, the capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liter of water. If its length and depth are respectively 2.5 meter and 10 meter, then find the breadth of the tank. Here this one is tank, and it is given that this can hold 50,000 liter of water, and length and depth are given 2.5 meter, and 10 meter. Then we have to find the breadth. First of all, we have find the volume of the cuboidal tank according to their dimensions, and after that we have to find the volume of cuboidal tank according to capacity. Here, how we can find volume of capacity of water is equal to 50,000 liter. So we know that 1000 liter is equal to 1 meter cube, and 1 liter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter cube, and the capacity is 50,000 liter is equal to 1 upon 1000 into 50,000. Then cancel 3 zeros, and volume is 50 meter cube. Okay, then the volume of cuboidal tank is 50 meter cube and dimensions are given. Then according to dimension, the volume will be again volume of water equal to 50 meter cube, and we can take here formula L into B into H is equal to 50, and here L means 2.5 meter, B means we have to find breadth, and H means 10 is equal to 50 meter cube, and B is equal to, this implies that B is equal to, here given 50, then transporting of 2.5 and 10, there here will be divide 2.5 into 10, and 10 5 is 50 and 2.5 to the 5. Then B is 2 meter. So the breadth of the cuboidal tank will be 2 meter. Okay. Next question is, given here. A village having the population of 4,000 require 150 liter of water per head per day. It has a tank measure 20 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter. Then find for how many days will be water of this tank last. Means there are 4,000 population, and per head require 150 liter of water. A tank having in that village is this into this into this meter. Then then find for how many days will be water of tank last. Here this one is tank, in the village, and the measure of tank 20 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter. Then we can find the volume of the tank. Here volume of tank equal to 20 meter into 15 meter into 6 meter. Then here 15 to the 30, 300 into 6 meter cube, then 1800 meter cube. The tank contain 1800 meter cube of water, and here we have to change in liter. This meter cube I have to change in liter because the water required per head in given in liter. So we have to change the meter cube in liter. Then here 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter of water, and 1800 meter cube is equal to 1800 into 1000. Then this one is 18 and 2 and 3 5 zeros liter of water. So this tank contain unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. 18 lakh liter of water. Then for how many days will be last? Here per head 150 liter of water. Then here 150 liter water require for one person for 1 day. And now 1 liter of water required for one person is equal to 1 upon 150 days. And 1 liter of water for 4,000 person is equal to 1 upon 150 into 4,000 days. One liter of water for 4,000 will be upon 4,000 days, and 18 5 times zeros water required for 1 upon 150 into 4,000 into 8 5 times 0. Then calculation of this will be equal to 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 and 4, and 15 for the 60 and 16 3 the 180. Then this tank will be enough for 3 days. Okay. Next question is arise here. A go down measure 40 meter into 25 meter into this one 15 meter. Then find the maximum number of the wooden crate, each measure 1.5 meter, 1.25 meter and 0.5 meter, that can be stored in the go down. This one is go down. This one is cuboidal go down, and there are put crate in this. These are crate put such that they are fixed in the go down. These are fixed in go down. So we know that these crates are put such that the volume of the crates are equal to the volume of this go down, because these are put in the go down. Here the length of go down is 40 meter and 25 meter, and here 15 meter. And this crate measure 1.5 meter, breadth 1.25 meter, and height 0.5 meter. This is the measure of one crate. Then let the number of the crate is n. Therefore, volume of n crate will be volume of one crate into n. So, volume of go down is equal to 40 meter into 25 meter into 15 meter, then all will be meter cube. And let number of crate is equal to n. So volume of n crate is equal to n into volume of one crate will be equal to 1.5 meter into 1.25 meter into 0.5 meter. Then here this one is volume of one crate. We can write this in smallest, n into 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5 m cube, meter cube. This one is the volume of n crates, and this one is the volume of one crate, and multiplying by n, then the volume of n crate. Then volume of n crate will be equal to the volume of the go down. Then here we can put, according to problem, 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5 into n is equal to volume of the go down, 40 into 25 into 15, then n equal to, then here we here these are multiplied to n, therefore transporting of these, then they will be divided to other side, 40 into 25 into 15 upon 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5, and we calculate this, n equal to 40 into 25 into 15 upon 15 into 125 into 5. We can put opposite side 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros after 1 because we remove the point. Then we calculate this, 5 1 5, 5 3 3 1 3, 3 5 15, 5 1 5, 5 5 25, and 5 1 5, 5 25 125, and this one is 5 5 5 8 and here 5 1 5 2 and 000. Then n is equal to 5 2 and 000, 2 3 and 4. Then here 16,000. Then number of crate will be 16,000. So 16,000 crate can be put in this go down accurately. Now enough for today. In next lecture we will be solve next remaining questions and other exercise 13.6. Thank you. Have a nice day.